Here we have Pontiac Vibe 2009 2.4 liter. The problem is rough idle. So even though the throttle body has been clean, fuel injector has been also clean, the O2 sensor has been replaced, and one of the next step is to check and see how the throttle body was working. And I hook up a power supply directly to the motor of the throttle body. So when you look at the Vibe from your right, it's going to be the first two wire into the connector. The first one's going to be the positive, the second one's going to be the ground. So you just hook up a power supply, DC power supply, to be able to modulate the valve. So you need to keep in mind that that's going to go up to roughly 3 volt DC. Do not apply 12 volt as it's going to be fully wide open. Now pay attention when I'm going to move the power source. What's going to happen with that throttle body? It's going to fluctuate even though the power is stable. So that you can see that you have a roughly from here 2 volt fluctuating while the valve moves. You can also hear a squeaky sound coming from the motor inside the throttle body valve. So we'll do that again. You also see you need to check through the mirror, as it's hard to see the valve and the voltmeter and moving that power source at the same time. And dealerships seen the car 3 times, could not find it neither. And like I say, this is a 09 Vibe, and we purchased it in 08, so we probably will have one of the first cars out of warranty. So you may start to have issues with that. And happen only, it's worse when it gets colder, minus 15 and colder Celsius.